Hey everyone, and welcome back. Want to save time on repetitive tasks in ClickUp? In this video, I'll show you how to set up basic automations for status changes, due dates, and priorities on the free plan. First, navigate to the folder list where you want the automation. Click the Automate button in the top right of your view. A menu will open. The free plan gives you 100 automations per month to work with. Let's create a simple one. Click Create Custom Automation. For the trigger, select When Status Changes to choose a status from your list, like In Progress. Now, for the action, select Set Due Date. You can set it to a specific date, or even better, choose Today or Tomorrow to automatically add a deadline when work begins. You can create another automation for priority. Trigger, when priority is set to Urgent. Action, add tag with a tag like Rush. You can also set an automation to notify someone when a due date is approaching. Remember, you can have multiple actions for one trigger. Test your automation and click Save. And that's it. These basic automations will handle routine updates for you, keeping your projects moving forward automatically. If you set up a helpful automation, let me know what it does in the comments. See you in the next one.